Hi, this is the Cubing Expert, and today I'm going to unbox a Nintendo Switch OLED model. So first, we have the Nintendo Switch, and I've never opened one before, so let's see how it is. And it opens from the bottom, and it has some instructions, and it opens out the front. And there's the screen of the Nintendo, and there's the controllers of the Nintendo here. There's some cables. I just put those aside. And there's the joy holder thing. And and these, I think it's for like racing games. You can just press them. And then we have this big box. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's the charger and charging dock, and it connects to the TV.
ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಂಬ ಆತ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಡೆ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಳು.
And let's get to the actual control of the Nintendo. So we have the instruction manual, then we have the Nintendo, so there's nothing there. And then I think you just take these out, and that's all for that. So we have these joystick controllers and the screen of the Nintendo. And now I bought a game and a screen protector case, so let's open these. And you can buy these from JB Hi-Fi or Target or any digital technology. So this is the OLED protection kit, and it looks like it has some plastic stickers. And when you open it, oh, there's another one. And now when you open it, there's more plastic. And there's the case, and it's white to match the OLED case, well, the OLED color. And when you open it, there is a Velcro strap to put this in, and it comes with a screen protector kit so you can put it on. And it has like game slots so you can put your games in, and it has your earphones so you can put it in, and this is where your Nintendo would go. And now for the game.
ಆ ಡಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಂತ್ರ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾಂತ್ರ ಅದಂತ ತೋರ್ಸೇಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಂತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಉಂಟು ಅದು ಆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅದು ಡಪ್ಪ ಔಟರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಂತ್ರ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಉಂದಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ.
So in the Nintendo Switch
ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಿರ್ಸಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳು.
In the Nintendo Switch OLED model, there's tabletop mode, which you can take it off like in the normal one. There's a TV mode and the handheld mode, and it comes with the tablet one, the joysticks, the joystick handles, a charger, a TV, charging dock, a joystick controller, so if you play like Mario Kart, and another charge wire. So, and then I got a game. It's Super Mario Maker, the second one. And I haven't opened it yet. It's brand new. So, let's open it. And when you open it, it has a background of what it will look like, and it has this little chip card. And we'll put that in a bit. So now, well, let's look at the actual parts of the Nintendo. So first we have the screen of the Nintendo. Games console, and it turns on. I think you need to charge it, and then you have the two controllers of the game. So you just put them in, and you should hear a sound when you put them in. And when you've put them in, something like this should happen. Then you can just go through this and just choose what you need to do. So when we got the Nintendo Switch, it came with these straps, and it's used for Mario Kart racing or something that requires, like, if you use two-player, because on the consoles there's buttons and you don't have to click all the way, it's just like that. And it also comes with this like PlayStation thing that where you can put your Joy-Cons in, and it will work like normal, so you don't have to keep moving it. And this you have to buy separately, but you get a case, or sometimes you get a protection screen. And yeah, and that's all, and I'll see you in the next video, and bye.